Hello guys, today I will be showing you a few images or samples of kaleidoscope, and this one is the first one, and this is so beautiful, right? So let's see today's images. They are so beautifully formed, I can't express my happiness in words. So this one is the outer part, and I am showing pictures on this mobile, and the images formed are like this. So first let me tell you the concept of a kaleidoscope. See, first we have to take 3 mirrors and we have to stick them together, and whenever we stick them together, our work is done. Yes, kaleidoscope is making is very simple and very effective toy it is to spend your time. So this is also one, it comes from one concept of physics, that reflected light can be reflected again. So there are 2 devices which show this example or follow this example or statement, which is this one kaleidoscope is already one and the other is periscope. Science is really amazing, isn't it guys? So let me show you the few images. You will also enjoy it too much. So guys, that was the first one. This one is the second. Look guys, so amazing. Looks like little like a flower. But you want to see the actual image? See guys, this one is the actual image. So simple this one. But when it is formed in with kaleidoscope, it looks really amazing. And this one is the third image. I don't have words for this to say. Guys, that's just amazing. And see, as this one is the fourth pattern. Guys, you tell me how it is, okay? Just amazing it is. This kaleidoscope is amazing. And guys, see the flowers, how they are coming out. They are coming out and then going in again coming out, again going. This one is really amazing guys. Now next, this one. Every image will be looking good. Every image. See guys, this one too. I am so happy that I am laughing now. Yes guys, this is so amazing this one. And guys, see this one so amazing. You may wonder why I am always telling amazing. Okay, so now I will not tell and you just observe the patterns, okay? Okay, so guys, all patterns are finished. Now I am showing you some patterns of my bed sheet. Okay, this will also look amazing. Guys, you just see, any good pattern will be amazing, just amazing. Okay guys, that was it for today. But wait, one pattern is left to be finished. Last pattern. Okay, so guys, how did you like the kaleidoscope? Tell me. And that was very simple and very amazing. Now instead of watching mobile, I am spending half of my day observing patterns in it only. So amazing guys, so amazing. And you can order it online also, it is available. Or if you want some fun from your daily routine, you can make it. It's very easy. You can search in YouTube, any place, or let me tell you how to make it. Okay, so guys, you can see it is very simple. Just you have to take 3 mirrors. Okay, I am showing you inside. See guys, this is only mirrors, there is nothing else. See, I am putting my finger. See, I am putting my finger, and this is nothing guys. You may see, what is this pattern, what is this? Guys, this is very simple. We have applied double-sided tape and we have stuck all of them 3 together. Okay, this is very simple, very simple. After your sticking is completed, your kaleidoscope is totally ready. Yes guys, very simple, I already told you. And now if you want to make your kaleidoscope beautiful, all you have to do is only use few things, such as I have used here foam sheet. It is very easily available in the market. This one shiny tape or decoration tape, you can also say. And you may wonder now what length and breadth you will tell to the shopkeeper if the shopkeeper asks which length and breadth meter I will give. So I am measuring and I am telling you. Okay, so guys, I have measured all of them, and this length is 15.5 centimeter and this breadth is, how much I forgot, 5.5 centimeter. Yes, 5.5, or if you want it to be somewhat bigger, you can or tell the shopkeeper of 6 centimeter. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed our today's video, and let me know how did you like the kaleidoscope. Guys, I really like it. It's so amazing, so simple, and it's such a good thing to spend your time. You can also make a periscope. A periscope is something which will allow you to see something up from your height. Yes, two inclined plane mirrors are kept at 45 degree opposite to each other, and when one light ray is coming and hitting one that mirror, then when the light ray will touch the another mirror or hit the another mirror, then you can see that what is going on there. Like you have seen submarines are something in which many people dive underwater. Yes, there is oxygen already in the submarine, oxygen cylinders, and they go underwater, and with the help of periscope they can see what is going on the surface of water. Okay, suppose another boat is coming and they have to make the way for them, they can do that. Okay, so guys, you can always make a kaleidoscope, and if you need any help, let me know down in the comments and I will help you as much as I can. Thank you guys, bye bye.